If you're in any kind of an accident where someone else is at fault and they caused your injury, you immediately want to get a hold of your own lawyer and have somebody help you secure evidence and make sure that you are being protected as time goes on. Negligence is doing something that is contrary to your duty. You have a duty not to cross the street in the middle of the night in dark clothing without looking both ways for traffic, and if you do that and you get hit by a car, then you as the pedestrian are negligent. Proving that somebody is negligent can be a very complicated thing. The plaintiff has to bring enough evidence to show the court that he or she is entitled to go and have his or her case heard by a jury. There are many different statutes of limitation which apply to personal injury cases. A qualified lawyer who practices in this area is required to know what those statutes are and be able to decide which one applies to your case. People think that it's like winning the lottery when you're injured. Okay, well, the exact opposite is true. The people I represent are injured so severely that you wouldn't possibly think for a moment that they've been lucky. People that win the lottery are lucky. People that have personal injury suits need to be compensated for their injury, and the law allows them to be compensated. It's the way our democracy has worked for over 200 years. Some cases of very serious injuries result in no recovery for the person that's been injured or killed, and that's because there are defenses which successfully protect the defendant from having to pay. There's not a trial that I've had in the last, since that case, and it's probably been at least 15 years, where jurors don't ask about the McDonald's coffee case. What they don't know about the McDonald's coffee case is this. Number one, the lady that was injured had over $200,000 in medical bills because of severe injuries to her groin area. McDonald's, prior to that incident, had hundreds of claims against it for and hundreds of people had been injured by the scalding heat of its coffee. So it knew that this happened on a regular basis. And finally, the award that was given was substantially reduced by the court. So while the award everybody remembers is like a $2 million award, the court ended up reducing this lady's award to something well under, I think it was in the $400,000 or $500,000 range. I guess the favorite part of the job is, helping people who are at probably the worst possible moment in their lives and helping them navigate all of the problems associated with coming through that.